Hello everyone, welcome to your French class. In today's video, we'll do the conjugations of RE verbs. As usual, here we'll also have irregular verbs as well as regular verbs. Let's take the regular verbs for now. So let's start with the verb, regular RE verbs. Let's start with perd. Which means to lose. Je perdre, tu perds, il perd, elle perd, nous perdons, vous perdrez, ils perdent, elle perd. Let's repeat once again. Je perd, tu perds, il perd, elle perd, nous perdons, vous perdez, il perd, elle perd. This translates to I lose, you lose, he lose, she lose, we lose, you lose, they lose. Where the difference comes on, this is first person singular, second person singular and informal. Third person singular, masculine and feminine. First person plural, second person, this could be second person singular or second person plural depending upon the situation. First person singular as well as formal. This is masculine plural, feminine plural. So let's revise once again. Je perd, tu perds, il perd, elle perd, nous perdons, vous perdez, il perd, elle perd. The same way where regular RE verbs are calculated are attendre, confondre, correspondre, défendre, déprendre, descendre, entendre, étendre, fondre, mordre, pendre, perdre, pertendre, rendre, répandre, répondre. The difference is A and O. Répandre, répondre. Suspendre, suspendre. And tendre. And vendre. Now quickly do the irregular RE verbs. Let's take the example of rompre, which means to break. This goes as je rompre, tu rompes, il rompt, elle rompt, nous rompons, vous rompez, il rompt, elle rompt. Let's quickly revise once again. Je romps, tu rompes, il rompt, elle rompt, nous rompons, vous rompez, il rompt, elle rompt. Which means I break, you break, he breaks, she breaks, we break, you break, they break. The words ending with rompre has the same conjugation, such as corrompre, incorrompre, and rompre. Let's look at the second group, which is words like cuire, which means to cook, as in like to boil, to bake. Or similar. Je cuis, tu cuis, il cuit, elle cuit, nous cuisons, vous cuisez, elle cuise, elle cuise. Which means I cook, you cook, he cooks, she cooks, we cook, you cook, they cook, they cook. Let's revise once again. Je cuis, tu cuis, il cuit, elle cuit, nous cuisons, vous cuisez, il cuise, elle cuise. Words having similar conjugations like we is conduire, confire, construire, conductir, cuire, servir, déduire, dire, introduire, élire, enduire, frire, induire, instructive, interdire, introduire, lire, luire, médire, nourrir, perdre, produire, recueillir, reconstruire, redire, rétudier, reluire, reproduire, séduire, souffrir, traduire. Now let's do another group. Words like écrire, which means to write. These are conjugated as j'écrire, tu écrire, il écrire, elle écrit, nous écrivons, Vous écrivez. Il écrive. Elle écrive. Words conjugated like écrire are construire, directoire, écrire, inscrire, prescrire, proscrire, récrire, subscrire, and transcribe. That's all for today. If you have any doubt or if you're stuck anywhere, please email us at understandthefrench@gmail.com. Thank you so much.